The R gesture is a gesture from the heart towards the periphery. Hello to the world in front of me and even further to what's behind the world, which I can see. From there, and now that true R starts, that's preparation, pull your shoulders a little bit back and invite energy to flow through your arms towards your body, that these forces slowly lean you back a little bit and bring your weight back on the heels. Let's do this maybe 2 times. Reaching out, going far behind what we can see, pulling back, letting that energy flow in, and let us be moved a little bit backwards by that. And let go. And feel when your heels touch the earth, that in a way an energy comes up and strengthens your spine from this direction, from within, from below. One more time. This. And pull it back. And now we do not let go, but we create from the thighs a stream upwards. And let go. And now try to remember the R gesture, the A gesture, and the streaming in, as if your hands would still be there. And let go. So we create the R gesture, we do the Ha, but we have still the R gesture in mind, the connection to the space behind the space. RH, reverence. Ha, back. Thighs, shoulder blades, collarbones, ha, open up. Remember the R, the A gesture. Be connected, let it stream in, and have the H. Okay. And when we do it now the 3rd time, the AH, remember that it's called AH reverence. The A and the H tend to what the A really does, to bring us backwards. But reverence is an attitude which brings me towards you. Yeah, I want an autogram signature from you. So when we do the IH, try to create a stream which nevertheless slowly brings you forwards despite of the A and H. R. Let it come. Thighs, shoulders, ha. Remember the R. Let the arms sink and find the stream of reverence which brings you forward or in the middle. And can you feel that the whole body becomes big through that? One last time. Ah. Back. Ha. Feel the R. Create reverence within the R and H. Let your breath react and take a short pause to listen to what these exercises do in your body. Just feel, take up a conversation with your body, a conversation where you listen to what you perceive, or if you say, I don't perceive much, or I don't perceive anything, it's a practicing of listening to the body. Because we all perceive a lot, but we are not aware of that. We can't make it conscious to us. So the art is to be happy about very, very little sensations too.